So today I'm filming something that my coworkers have actually asked me to film. 2 of them have asked me to. And it's basically how I put on magnetic lashes. They're literally the first day that I walked. Ooh. Was that lightning? It has been thundering and well, if you hear that throughout the video, you know what it is. It's not my stomach. Basically, the first day that I walked into work, my manager immediately came up to me and was like, whoa. And then my other coworker who came in kind of did the same thing. She like walked right up to me and got real close. And they could not tell that I was wearing them. And basically, I kind of got them into it. They went and bought them because of me, but they couldn't really put them on. They were having some trouble. So they asked me to make a video. So I do actually have all of the lashes. They are the Ardell magnetic lashes. These are new ones. We have the double demi wispies. I think these are just the wispies. The 110 lashes. I've already cut these, so that's why they look really weird. These are the accents. And my go-to ones are the accents and the wispies. And I'll use those together actually. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So if it's your first time starting out, I would probably go with the accents because those are a little shorter and smaller and easier to work with. You can see it has like three magnetic little points. And my trick is I basically leave the upper ones untouched, and then the bottom ones I will cut. I'll cut like right after that second magnet. So I'll leave 2 magnets for the inner and 1 for the outer. The full strip lashes have 4 magnets. I take one off the top anyways because it's too big for my tiny Asian lashes. You can kind of see where the magnets are. There's one on that end, and then right before the next one I cut it. There's another one there. After that one I cut it again. And so I will use this one, this piece, and that piece. I don't use these ones at all just because they are too big for my eyes. Personally, I think that doing both of these, layering those, is a little bit much for me. I'll just take 1 set of each, so maybe the upper of the wispies and then the bottom of the accent lashes, and I'll just use that. So let's take the upper wispies, and there's 3 magnets on this. There's the end, middle, and inner, and I'm going to take the end here. Okay, so I'm going to put this on the outer edge. And that's all we're going to care about right now. And I'm going to take the outer part, this just has 1 magnet on it, from the accent lashes. I'll just use my one hand and I push. And then I put that under. And then I'm going to take the inner part of the accent lashes and I hold the inner part. This has 2 magnets on it. And you just hold that in place as close to the lash line as you can. And you just press them together. I have my mirror here, but it's really hard to not put it right in front of me. Usually I'll have the mirror and I'll just be looking at it like this. So I'm probably not doing as great a job as I could, but that's okay. For the sake of this video, we're gonna do no talking. I was trying to put it on and I just dropped one part of it somewhere and I have no idea where it went. When that happens, beware. It might have stuck to something magnetic. But I guess we have 1 pair of eyeballs for you to look at. Hopefully this helped you and you didn't do the same thing as I did and lose 1 pair of the lashes. But yeah, if you have any questions on how to apply these, let me know. Try and answer them. Anyways, thank you for watching and I will see you next time. I have to go to my best friend's house now. We're gonna play Lego Harry Potter, so that's what what I'm gonna be doing with my beautiful one lash. Okay, bye! I found them. This is my hair, of course. I just put them on. Okay, bye.